Japanese listening practice リスニング練習 Today's theme How to keep studying Japanese every day. Hello everyone, it's Matcha Samurai. Welcome to my Japanese dojo. Today, I'm going to talk about how to make it easier to study Japanese every day. I will talk about it in Japanese and English. I hope this will be a good Japanese listening practice for you. And the vocabulary list in the description section. Please check it out. If you are new to my dojo, please subscribe to my channel for not missing new videos. Okay then, let's get started. では、始めましょう。あなたに質問です。I have a question for you. 毎日これを続けたいと思っていても、ついサボってしまうことはありませんか？Do you have anything you want to keep doing every day, but tend to skip? 私は有酸素運動が好きで、こちらはほぼ毎日続けています。I like doing cardio and I do it almost every day. でも筋トレなどの場合、やる気が湧かない日もあります。But when it comes to strength workouts, I don't have motivation sometimes. こんな私ですが、ある方法を始めました。That's me, but I studied something to make it easier. 家に帰ってきて部屋着に着替えたら、スクワットを最低でも30回行います。When I come home and change my clothes into loungewear, I do at least 30 squats every day. 着替えずにそのまますることもあります。Sometimes I do it without changing my outfit. ポイントは考え込む前に始めることです。The point is, I start it without overthinking. やろうかな、でも面倒だから後にしようかなと悩んでいる時間は無駄です。It's a waste of your time thinking like, I wonder if I should do it now or not. But it's kind of hassle, so maybe later. ルーティン化してしまいましょう。Let's make a daily routine. 日本語の勉強が毎日続かない場合も、この方法が使えると思います。You could use this life hack too, if it's hard for you to study Japanese every day. 例えば家に帰ってきたら15分でもいいから勉強をする。 For instance, start studying when you come home, even if it's just 15 minutes. 車、電車、バスなどに乗っているとき、日本語のオーディオブック、動画、ポッドキャストなどを聞いてみる。Also, listening to Japanese with audiobooks, videos, or podcasts when you are in a car, train, bus, etc. もしお子さんがいれば、朝お子さんたちを送り出した後、時間があればすぐに勉強を始めるなど。If you have children, you could start learning Japanese soon after they left home in the morning as long as you have time. もしも日本語を勉強する気力が起きないときは、今日ご紹介した方法を試してみてください。When you don't feel like learning Japanese but still need to do it, please try the tip I introduced to you this time. きっと日本語を勉強することが毎日の習慣になると思います。With this method, I'm sure you can make learning Japanese a daily routine. Vocabulary List. 質問 Question Inquiry Quiz 毎日 Every day Each day Day after day 有酸素運動 Cardio aerobic exercise 筋力トレーニング Strength training Muscle training 筋トレ This is the short version of 筋力トレーニングサボる To skip something you're supposed to do やる気 Motivation Willingness Drive 方法 Methods Approach Way 部屋着 Loungewear At home clothes You can call it roomwear too 最低でも At least At lowest As a minimum 行う To do something This word is more formal than する着替える Change one's clothes Get dressed 考え込む Go into deep thought get caught up in one's thought. Something something の前に before something something. 面倒 troublesome, hustle, bother, trouble. 悩む to worry, to distress. 悩んでいる be worried, be troubled, in distress. Routine, routine. Audiobook, audiobook, audiobooks. Podcast, podcast, podcast. Asa, morning. 昼 daytime, especially around noon. 夜 evening, night. 時間があれば when time permit, if you have time. すぐに at once, in a moment, any second. 気力 drive, spirit. 紹介 introduction. 紹介する to introduce, to induct. 試す to try, to test. きっと surely, certainly. 習慣 custom, habit. お子さん your child, your children. You cannot call your own child and children お子さん。Thank you for listening. That's all for today. If you have any requests or listening practice videos, please let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much for your big likes. See you soon. Bye.